Namaste everyone. I am Chitra Ganesh, a yoga teacher in the Vinyoga tradition, bringing you traditional teachings from the heart. Today I would like to share with you the chanting of Krishnashtakam, which is attributed to Sri Adi Shankaracharya. It is a beautiful composition of 8 shlokas and it celebrates Sri Krishna as the teacher of the universe. Let's begin. Join your palms and close your eyes. Om Vasudevasutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Atasi Pushpasankasham Haranupurashobhitam Ratnakankanakeyuram Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Kutilalakasanyuktam Purnachandranibhananam Vilasatkundaladharam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Mandaragandhasanyuktam Charuhasam Chaturbhujam Barhi Pinchavachodangam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Utpulla Padma Patraksham Neelajimuta Sannibham Yadavanam Shiroratnam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Rukmini Keli Sanyuktam Pitambara Sushobhitam Avapta Tulasi Gandham Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Gopikanam Kuchadvandva Kunkumankita Vakshasam Sriniketam Maheshwasam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Srivatsankam Mahoraskam Vanamala Virajitam Shankachakradharan Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Krishnashtakamidam punyam Prataruthaya yapathet Koti janma kritam papam Smaranena vinashyati. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Chitra Ganesh. I will see you once again in my next video, bringing you traditional teachings from the heart. Namaste.